My relationship with running can't say that I have really latched on to the sport. Patrick said he was surprised that I had any talent in tennis, just having seen me run.
He's one of the most unathletic people that I've ever met.
I'm not going to deny the statement. The kid thinks he can go pro in any sport and claims that if he had given it a little more interest, he would have been the first 120-pound professional hockey player, which I've got a hard time believing.
Can someone get me a racket, please? What's up, everybody? I'm Emmanuel Acho, your host for Simply Put, where complicated business challenges get clear solutions. Everything here just has to make sense. As soon as things get jargon heavy, one of these will appear, with language people actually use and interpret it into more accessible terms. This episode is all about data. When he's not playing tennis, Michael Rardon, head of marketing for the running specialty group at JackRabbit Sports, spends his time serving customer relations. Let's hear more from him, and in a few minutes, break down his lessons with Loretta Shen, a product marketing director at Salesforce. Here we go.
Runners and athletes, I think they expect from us to be knowledgeable. When you go into a JackRabbit store, you go through a personal gait analysis where we record you running on a treadmill. Finding the right shoe for that individual is really what makes the JackRabbit business unique. And one of the challenges digitally is how we bring that online. We don't want to just be screaming sale, come buy products at JackRabbit, coming up with new and innovative ideas of having buy online, pick up in store, and having curbside pickup to eliminate some of the risk of COVID throughout this year. The biggest challenge of balancing multiple brand relationships is ensuring we are not cannibalizing ourselves. Understanding our overall database and leaning on Salesforce to help us digest the mass amounts of data that we have and put it into actionable reports on where to allocate our advertising spend. Marketing and e-commerce really go hand to hand. We have really leaned into the Salesforce family, working on both Commerce Cloud and Marketing Cloud with the goal of being able to share that information in one cohesive platform. When a customer comes to our site, what we want to learn is, do they have specific goals? Do they have a brand affinity? We want to make sure that that data point is captured in Salesforce. Having a customer 360 is crucial for our business. Our goal was really to work with Salesforce to have all of our data live in one ecosystem that can interact together.
Inspired to put Michael's ideas into action? He's got some tactics you can start using right away. Salesforce expert Loretta Shen will hop in to illustrate how it all works.
Simply put, these are my top 3 tips to grow loyalty for life. Number 1, cohesion is key.
Spot on, Michael. Digital relationships thrive on personalized experiences. Connect every interaction right from the start. It's simple once you get all your customer data in one place. This single source of truth can use data to carry online conversations into the stores seamlessly. When a JackRabbit customer gets an email for running shoes and chooses their style, they may want to try them on before buying. Should they pop into a store, a sales rep can pull up their info and know exactly which shoe to bring out for a fitting, or recommend related items. All purchase data goes right into JackRabbit's e-commerce. Next time that customer views the website, they'll see more relevant content and products. Some sellers even use e-commerce data to find new audiences to market to, based on demographics and trends. This is the kind of connected marketing that sets brands apart. I know I value customer experiences that feel effortless. Don't you?
Number 2, know your KPIs, then outdo them.
Marketers have so many KPIs to monitor so we hit our targets. Digital ROI, open rate, ad impressions, likes, lifetime value. It's a lot. We shouldn't have to visit multiple sources to manually gather all the data we need. There are solutions that unify marketing, performance, and business analytics. Brands like JackRabbit use artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting. AI spots the patterns in all these insights so JackRabbit can improve campaigns in real time. I'd also suggest a solution that can automate the tedious data prep that bogs your teams down. Simply put, efficiency is a KPI too.
Number 3, put spend where it needs to go.
The cost of each digital ad engagement is only going up. It's critical to make the most of your spend across any marketing situation. Say a customer's already bought your latest hot release. Why spend precious budget advertising it to them? You can suppress ads from being shown to those customers and others who won't find it relevant. JackRabbit segments audiences, only targeting one per product line. It's a tricky dance, but the reward is better allocated funding, a more engaged audience, and lots of money saved. In this industry, spend can go like that. A good strategy will create the best return.
Digital is a rapidly changing environment, and in order to be successful, you need to continuously be innovating, trying new things, and differentiating your brand.
You've been watching Simply Put. Good idea. There's a lot more how-to to come, so click on the next video and keep it going.